Hello my friend, welcome to Smart Trader channels. I'm Trace. In this video, I will show you a 5-minute trading strategies work for all market and all time frame. 3 indicator I use is 200 EMAs for buy or sell trade, and QQE Mod and HM system as a trade confirmations. And I want to show you the step by step how to analyze and plan before the trade. Now let's begin. For the buy trade, price above the 200 EMA, the market in an uptrend, so we focus on buy, and then we identify a key area. The key area acts as both support and resistance in the past. This is the key area because this acts as support, broken, now act as resistance, and I will wait for the market break out above the resistance, and then the resistance now turn into the support. I will wait to buy at the support, the stop loss below the recent swing low. And QQE Mod signal a bullish market, HM system signal a bullish market, so the more trade confirmation we have, the higher probability trade will take profit. As you can see here, the market react as resistance level, and now I will wait for bright breakout above the resistance level. Price now break above the resistance level and retest. As you can see here, when price retest, the QQE Mod in blue means bullish market. The HM system cross up a middle line 50 and the bullish market. I will long here. Okay, I will put a long position here, risk and reward 1-to-1. Okay, we want the trade. For sell trade, price below the 200 EMA, the market bearish, so we focus on sell, and then we identify a key area. The key area act as resistance, broken turn into support, and broken turn again into the resistance. This is the key area we want to identify. As you can see here, this area act as resistance, broken act as support. Okay, now I will wait this area broke down, and this support now turn into resistance, and I will wait to enter the sell positions here. And QQE Mod in red signal the market spirit. The HM system cut down below the middle line. It means the market spirit. The more trade confirmations we have, the higher probability trade. Okay, as you can see here, the price reacts with this key area support. Now I will wait for this area broken. This area now broken and turn into a resistance. As you can see here, the up candle reject, the up candle reject. So we will have a short positions here, stop loss above the recent swing high, risk and rewards at least 1-to-1. And as you can see here, the QQE in red and HM system cross below the middle line. Okay, we want the trade. Another sell trade example, price below 200 EMA, then identify a key area, act as both supports and resistance in the past. Okay, resistance broken act as support, and I will wait for the market breakout of this key area and then retest. This area now act as resistance. Enter a short positions here. The stop loss above the recent swing high. Okay. You can see the market react at this area. The market react as this area, and I only wait for the market break below this area and retest. Now, as you can see here, the market break below this key area, and then you check the QQE Mod in red. HM system grows below the middle line. Short positions when the price retests this area here. The support now broken and turned into the resistance. Risk and rewards at least 1 to 1. We want the trade. One trading tip for you to identify a reversal trade before the trade happens is you use the QQE Mod. When the price make a higher high, right? But QQE Mod failed to make a higher high. That means the reversal trade is coming. You can plan before the trade begins. One of the trading tips I want to share with you. Another buy example, price above 200 EMA. Then we identify a key area, price as support. Okay, now wait for price break out the support. This area turn into the resistance, and price break above the resistance. Now the resistance turn into support, and I will entry the long positions here. Okay, price now break below the support level. This support level now turn into the resistance because price stole here. Now price break above the resistance level. Now this level became a support. I will wait for price retrace to the support level and entry here. Okay, as you can see, price weak at the support level. Check the QQE green bullish HM system cut above the 50 line bullish. Now we have long positions, or you can put a buy limit here. Okay, risk and rewards at least 1 to 1. It doesn't matter. And I will wait. Okay, we want the trade. I will give you a buy confirmations. There is the 5 trades confirmations before you take a trade, and also you can see the rise make lower low, QQE failed to make lower low. As you can see here, QQE make equal lows. It means it signal a market reversal trade. So the sell confirmations is the opposite. You can take it by yourself. Very simple and very effective if you follow the rule. I hope you know how to buy and sell now. Always trade with the trend. Buy at support and sell at resistance. Only risk 1 or 2% per trade. Backtest or paper trade using buy or sell trade checklist I give you. If you have any questions, comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Good luck and good trading.